Namaste, beautiful ones. This is Sylvia Mordini, the founder of Alchemy of Yoga. What the world needs is not more yoga teachers. What the world needs right now is more yoga leaders. And for the last 20 years, that's exactly what I've been doing, is training yoga leaders. Those that believe in the roots of yoga, that believe in the fundamental truths of yoga. And the very first principle of yoga is Ahimsa, to do no harm. So this is social justice. Yoga has always been political. Yoga is really about the fact that we are recognizing through our own self-awareness that we need not suffer needlessly, but we're also equally caring and aware of others around us and living in harmony with everyone and not wanting for anyone to suffer needlessly or unnecessarily either. That is the true oneness. So yoga, by its definition, has always been social activism. And my program has always been committed. Essentially, this is what the world is needing right now. The first question I ask myself when I wake up in the morning is, how may I serve? And that's something that I bring in to my teacher training program. How may I serve? What is necessary in the world? How can I show up as the inspiration leader to teach our mission, which for 20 years has been teach peace?